Goes again. This time, it's almost out of here. What a shot by Saurabh Tiwari.
This is a very good platform. Oh, the pitch there should be taken. Yes, it is. Kunj Sharma taking the catch. Quick Yorker. This time once again. Is it going to be 6? Yes, it is. That's once again another maximum in this over. Rohan Raje once again. This is slower ball. Smacked over. And it's maximum. My God, 3 sixes in this over. This time it is Jitesh. We have to wait and see. Is it going to be 6? Is it going to be 6? Yes, it is. Oh my God, this is the 4th 6 for Jitesh. No, just fell short and boundary. Just fell short. I guess he's well set over there. Also, chance of a wicket over there. Let's see whether it's taken. Yes. Yes, it is taken. What a game we are having here. This time, wonderful shot. And he's out. And this time, once again, is it going to be out? Saurabh Tiwari. And get out. 3rd wicket in this over. My God, what is happening? To be Pradeep Sangwan. Straight down the ground. And one more wicket down.
M. Nidish of Reliance won the man of the match here after Reliance won scored an 11-run victory over IOC to get off to a winning start in the GCL 3.
गोवा टस्कर्सान जैतान सुरुवात केली. DY पाटील टीमिक 3 रन्सांनी मारले.
Goa Tuskers. Home side. This time, short delivery and Swapnil Astorkar gets a boundary for it. Shot and no fielder down there. Will get another boundary for it. Playing very well. Goes again. Absolutely no chance for the fielders down there. And this is excellent batting by Sagun Kamath. Like last ball coming up. And he played it well and the ball is running towards the boundary. What a way to finish off the inning. Rick Sharma on strike. Chance to take the catch. And yes, first wicket for Goa Tuskers. And another wicket, another one. First with the bat, now with the ball. And another one. And as our appealing, and yes, the finger goes up. And Subal Bhati.
Playing on 24 once again down the ground. Is it going to be 6 or out? Oh, that was a valiant effort. Getting his length back. Chance of a catch. Is it going to be taken? Fielders after it, and it's taken. Beautifully taken there by the fielder.
And the man of the match is Subodh Bhati. It's been a wonderful bowling performance by him.